Okay, more problem solving from lesson 15 on the homework number 2. So here it is. Jay needs 19 quarts more paint for the outside of his barn than for the inside. If he uses 107 quarts in all, how many gallons of paint will be used to paint the inside of the barn? If I have 19 quarts more paint for the outside, then I want to draw the inside first with a tape model. So I'm going to say inside is this much paint. We don't know an exact number yet, but we just know, let's say there's this much paint, and we can compare the outside paint to it by saying that the outside paint will be just as much as the inside paint, but 19 quarts more. And the total amount of quarts of paint that he's going to use to paint both the inside and the outside of the barn is 107 quarts. We want to know how many gallons of paint will be used for the inside. So I guess what we're first going to have to do is we're going to have to figure out how many quarts of paint the inside will have, and then from that we'll figure out how many gallons that is. So if I look at the total amount of paint for the inside and the outside is 107 quarts. I know that 19 of those quarts are right here. So from the pattern of, I know the total and I know part of it, so I have to subtract in order to see what's left of the paint. So I'm going to take 107 quarts of the total, subtract 19 quarts, and that will leave me with 88 quarts. Okay, now that 88 quarts is going to be this portion right here that's left in paint. So out of the 88, I can see that two of these units, this unit and this unit, equals a total of 88 quarts. So I need to figure out what one unit is, because one unit would be the inside. So 88, that's pretty simple. 88 divided by 2 would be 44 quarts. Okay, but I'm not done yet because I want to know what the answer is. So 44 quarts would be how much paint would be on the inside. 40. So the only thing I have to do left is I have to convert quarts into gallons. So I'm going to take 44 quarts equals how many gallons? All right, so we're going to take 44 quarts. We're going to say it equals 44 times 1 quart. And 1 quart is the same thing as 1/4 of a gallon. So that means I have to figure out, in gallons, it's going to be 44 1/4 or 44 fourths. And 44 fourths is 44 divided by 4. And 44 divided by 4 is 11. So this will be 11 gallons. So to write my answer in a sentence, 11 gallons of paint will be used to paint the inside of the barn. And that's it.